So that looks a little bit different from last that you saw. There's probably about 3 people screaming at me because there was a ton of rust right here, and I just, for some reason, I didn't see it. So I welded all that up, and it looked good, and then I had to cut it all out. So now we're basically restarting, but that's okay. So we bought a front clip from a guy, because this one's kind of shot. Like, that fender's not no good. This hood's terrible. And I'll probably put that in at the end of this video of us going it and getting it. Maybe not, I don't know. But he gave us a bunch of scrap metal, so that's what's going to fix his floor. So this is going to be the piece for that side over there, and then all that scrap metal right there is just going to go here somewhere, and it's just going to patch together. It's not going to be a show car. This will work. So let's get started on that. So I'm going to do the technique that's worked before, and that is weld it in one spot and then hammer everywhere else until it fits. That's not the right way to do this, but I tried the right way, and it honestly took 2 days, and then I had to cut it all out, so I'm kind of tired of doing it the right way. Oh, that's not a... Oh, and I just melted the screwdriver. That's better. Doesn't do anything. Okay. So I just ran out of wire in there, but here's how it's going so far. I think it's going to work. This is really bad right here. I'm probably going to go over it with another bead, if you want to even call it that, when I'm done, because it's just, you're trying to weld rusty metal and it doesn't work out. But this right here, that's my best stuff yet. I'll tell you what. Don't look at it too close though. Then that's going to have to get, you know, hit down, because that's where a bolt goes. And I ain't got down here yet, or back there yet, but so far it's working out better than the first one, so I'm happy with it. So So I'm calling this one done. Welder started acting up, and I thought it was a bad ground, but I chose about 30 different grounds, and that's the only one that works. And you get some boogers like that, but I ain't too worried about it because it passes the test. Okay, now that the big rust hole on this side's done, I got to deal with what probably is the cutest little rust hole I've ever seen. It feels solid around there, but I'm going to show y'all a good way of checking for good metal. It's pretty scientific. You just... Yeah, that's it. So that's the only bad part. So that's how you test for bad metal. So I've also realized that the hard part isn't patching this. It's finding a good ground in this car. So that's going to be interesting. So I patched that. I'm not going to get too close because the welder, I don't know what's happening, if it's just a bad ground or what, but I can't weld with anything. It just keeps like shooting strands out and then it sticks and it's not really doing anything. I don't know. It's hard to explain. See, look right there. There's like a bunch of strands. I've been messing with the settings and everything. It's being difficult. So this is going to be the end of this video because I want to get a Monte Carlo video out. And honestly, this has taken me a month to get to this point. So I'm expecting at least another month over there. So that's going to be fun. But yeah, I'm going to insert some clips of us going and getting a front clip for this thing. Because this thing's pretty shot. And the one we get's a little bit better. So that's good. So I'm going to insert that after this. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Matter of fact, that Plymouth, that green Plymouth I got in there, I brought that thing back from the paint shop, and that's what I put up.
I don't know. I don't know how this. I don't know if it's going front to back or side to side.
I'll go to the back.
Got it? You know, it ain't as heavy as I thought it'd be.
Okay. Do you want to put it?
Which way do you think?
I believe that'd be the best way. Just put this part to the front, and we can put your hood on, like you say, on the front, on the back, just like that. That's what we done. I'm so short-legged now. That's my disadvantage. I'm gonna move this stuff. Then we'll put it.
Okay, that's fine. Pick it up and put it up there.
I'm gonna get up there just so short. I can't.
I think it's gonna be all right, don't you?
I better pull this back.
Yeah,
that way the phone won't relax or whatever.
Yeah, I think you'll be good right in there.
Yeah. Once I can get a hold of it, then I can.
Now
you go out the back.
Yeah, you go.
He's talking. There you go. You just go out to reach, you know.
Get your finger for it.
I'm gonna get mine out of the way now. You got it safe. Okay, there you go. You do that. Well, you got the motor and